Hey, it's the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, August 20th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather finally starting to feel like summertime in the days ahead. Let's go in there and take a look out the window this morning. Some of the Skycam shots. That's the view coming from Tuscaloosa. How about a moon over the Tombigbee River? That's from the Skycam at Demopolis. And by the way, tonight is the full moon, and it's the blue moon, but not by the popular definition. Most people, when you say blue moon, it means the second of two full moons in the same calendar month. But the deal is tonight will represent the third of four full moons to fall in the same season. And by season, we're defining that as the period between a solstice and the equinox. But whatever, should be a big old moon in the sky tonight, and that's our Fayette Skycam. Okie doke, there's the deal. The troughing is beginning to weaken and lift out. But still, we got a pretty moist air mass in place, so we'll see a few scattered showers and storms later today. And it was warmer yesterday, everybody back in the 80s, and we'll be in the 80s each day for the rest of this week. Somebody might touch 90 later this week. Watch warning map still got some flash flood watches for parts of South Georgia, the southeastern tip of Alabama, but generally speaking, things are quiet. Some fog issues over the eastern states. We note that heat advisory up north for Minnesota and Wisconsin. They'll be baking up there over the midsection by the weekend, up around Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, and Missouri, with an upper high developing there. No severe weather today. Tomorrow, slight risk up north. Rain for the next 5 days. Under the upper high, nothing for places like Oklahoma City and Tulsa, Little Rock. And around here, the amount should be heaviest to the south and east of where we are. And the tropics remain amazingly quiet here in mid-August. Something will break loose out there, we think, surely in September, but again, for now, no activity going on. Here's the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. Really ridges to the east and west, a trough north of here. And again, down below that, the air's kind of moist, so we'll see a few scattered showers and storms later today. There's the high-res NAM. This is valid at 7 o'clock this evening. The probabilities of precipitation running 35 to 45% off model guidance. That's your chance of any one spot getting wet later today. Pretty much the same deal tomorrow. This is tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock. We'll have the hit and miss showers and storms and scattered spots. This is Thursday, 1 o'clock, same deal. Few scattered showers and storms about. Highs, I would say mid to upper 80s. Somebody might touch 90. And this is Friday. As we approach the weekend, we note the air seems to be a little drier. Big old surface high north of us. There's a surface boundary coming down toward Nashville. But again, clearly there would be some risk of a passing storm in spots, but pretty decent chunk of the day will be dry. All right, weekend fans, look at the upper high that's around Omaha, Nebraska. That's a big old 594 high there, and kind of nosing in here. And look at that. That dry air tries to poke into North Alabama. The GFS has been trending drier. Now, we're not saying there's no chance of rain, but we are going to start just mentioning widely scattered showers, meaning a pretty good chunk of the weekend should be dry. There's a look at Sunday. And with the upper high trying to nose in, highs should be pretty close to 90 this weekend. Maybe somebody seeing low 90s. Again, it's going to feel like summer. Monday of next week, that looks very dry, if this happens to be correct. Let's say highs in the upper 80s. That's a little drier air mass coming in. This is Tuesday, a week from today. Again, that looks just dry as a bone. So the weather trending drier and warmer, especially by the time we hit the weekend and early next week. There's a look at the upper pattern. Again, that 594 heat bubble Tuesday centered north and west of the state. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is September 4th. Core of a ridge a little north of us, and we're kind of below that. Ooh, a little tropical system showing up in the Atlantic. So maybe things will indeed heat up there as we get into September. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. And if you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.